So in this problem, we are going to enter a giant number from the keyboard, and we want to add up all of the digits that would exist in that particular number. So the key to this one is you don't enter it in as an integer because then there's no way to get the digits. But if we just keep it as a string when we enter the values in, we can grab each individual character from the string. We know how to do that, and convert it to an integer and add it to a total variable inside a loop, and that should add up all of the digits for us. Okay, so we need the big number in from the keyboard, and let's not convert it. So enter the number. All right, now, so we're going to have a loop that goes through all the characters in that number. So from 0 to the length of the big number. All right. And all we want to do is get the digit itself. So that would be big number at I. That would be each individual digit. And just add it to a total. So I need a total variable. And I'm just going to add it up as we go. Okay, so big number at I. Okay. Oops. Essentially plus. All right, so whatever this number is from our message is going to add it to the previous value of total, and it will keep doing that over and over again. Oh, and one other thing. When I do this, this is actually still a string or a character, so I need to actually convert that to its integer equivalent, right? So if it's a digit of 2, it's reading it as a string, but I need to convert it to an integer in order to be able to do the math on it. So let's print the total at the end here. So let's see what happens. There we go. Okay, so if I enter 4, 5, 6, okay, the sum is 15, is that correct? So 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. All right. If I enter something again, 1, 7, 4, 2, okay, that is 14. So 1 and 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus another 2 is 14. Okay, so there we go. We can grab all the digits from a string and add them all up.